Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write emails faster with chatgpt. So make sure you will just have logged in your account, and if I just give them command to write an email like on write a email to my boss for half day leave for a dinner party. So you will just tap on it and it will generate a format of accurate email. So subject is request for half day leave. So dear boss, you will just type the boss name. I hope this email find you well. I am writing a request. I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to request a half day leave on a specific date. You will just mention your date. And as I have a family dinner party to attend in the evening, leaving a bit earlier will allow me to reach the venue on time and assist with my preparations as needed. I will ensure that all my tasks for the day are either completed or handed off appropriately before I leave. And please let me know if you need any additional details or if there anything else I should take care of any advance. Thank you for considering my request. I appreciated your understanding. Best regards. You will just write your name. So in this way you can write an email quickly by using ChatGPT. You just tell your reason and it will create an email for you easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.